Good evening, students. Welcome back to our BSc third year quantum mechanics class. In last lecture, we discussed about the steady state equation. It means Schrodinger's time independent wave equation and Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation and their derivations. If we move forward, there is another important topic in quantum mechanics, that is probability current density or its continuity equation. Before starting this derivation, we must understand what is my probability current. Then we can derive probability current density equation. Actually, in quantum mechanics, the probability current, sometimes it is also called as probability flux. A probability current is a mathematical quantity which describes the flow of probability in terms of probability per unit time per unit area. Once again, probability current density is a mathematical quantity which describes the flow of probability in terms of probability per unit time per unit area. Specifically, if one describes the probability density as a heterogeneous fluid, then the probability current is the rate of flow of this fluid. This is analogous to a mass current in hydrodynamics and electric current in electromagnetism. Actually, it is a real vector like electric current density. The concept of probability current is useful formalism in quantum mechanics. That's why we are going to derive this equation, and the probability current is invariant under Gauss transformation. Okay, so let us start this derivation. So let us consider a Schrodinger's equations in position space. That is I cap by h cross dou by dou t psi of r and t is equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square psi of r and t plus v of r psi of r t. Psi is the wave function which depends on r and t, which depends on its position as well as time component. That's why psi is a function of r and t. If we take its complex conjugate, whenever you are talking about the complex conjugate, in that case the Schrodinger equation can convert into the another Schrodinger equation. Instead of psi, you can use a psi star, because we are going to take its complex conjugate. In that case, psi can be replaced by psi star. Therefore, I h cross dou by dou t psi star r of t is equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square psi star r of t plus v of r psi star r of t. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now, the solution, the Schrodinger equation describes a particle with normalized wave function psi of rt. We define the probability density rho of rt. Rho of rt is equal to mod of psi of rt square. Mod of psi of rt square. Okay, and rho of rt is nothing but a probability current density. At time t, the probability dp of rt, to find the particle at a position r in the infinitesimally volume element dr cube is dp r of t is equal to mod of psi of rt whole bracket square into dr square, or we know rho of mod of psi of rt whole bracket square is nothing but rho of rt into dr cube. Okay, now we multiply equation 1 by psi of rt and equation 2 by psi star, sorry, we multiply equation 1 by psi star rt and equation 2 by psi of rt and subtract 2 from 1. Means this equation 1, which is a Schrodinger equations, can be multiplied with psi star, and its complex conjugate equation can be multiplied with psi, and we have to subtract equation 2 from 1. We have to subtract equation 2 from 1. If we multiply and subtract, it gives psi star r of t into I h cross psi star r of t into I h cross into dou by dou t of psi of rt minus psi of rt I h cross dou by dou t into psi star rt, which is equal to psi star r of t into minus h cross square by 2m del square psi of rt plus v of r psi star rt into psi of rt minus psi of rt into minus h cross square by 2m into del square psi star rt minus v of r psi of rt psi star rt. This is equation 3. It's simple. Initially we have to multiply equation 1 by psi star. If we multiply, it gives psi star I h cross dou by dou t into psi of rt is equal to psi star minus h cross square by 2m del square psi of rt plus v of r psi of rt into psi star rt, and multiply equation 2 by psi. Then equation 2 becomes psi I h cross dou by dou t psi star rt is equal to minus h cross square by 2m psi of rt del square psi star rt plus v of r psi star rt into psi star psi rt. Then we have to subtract these two equations. After subtraction we get equation 3. Okay. On the left hand side we can pull the derivative and I h cross in front to get I h cross dou by dou t psi of rt into psi star rt. On the right hand side, the potential term simply cancelled. Means if we compare the right hand side and left hand side, in which in left hand side a potential energy V of r psi star rt into psi of rt minus V of r psi of rt into psi star rt get cancelled. Then from remaining terms we can take minus h cross square by 2m del square take common, or in left hand side the left hand side equation can be written as I h cross dou by dou t of psi of rt whole bracket square, or mod of psi of rt bracket square, which is equal to psi star rt minus h cross square by 2m del square psi of rt plus into minus psi of rt minus h cross square by 2m del square psi star rt. Or by using a Green's theorem gives del dot phi del psi is equal to phi del square psi plus del phi del psi. If we see the equation number 4, we can convert we can use this Green's theorem to the right hand side of equation number 4. If we use, then our equation 4 becomes I h cross dou by dou t of mod of psi of rt whole bracket mod square is equal to minus h cross square by 2m into del in bracket psi star of rt del psi of rt minus psi of rt del psi star rt. Or if we shift the IH cross from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes dou by dou t of mod of psi of rt whole bracket square mod square is equal to del h cross by 2mi. Or instead of minus h cross square, you can write, instead of minus you can write I square, because I is equal to square root of minus 1, or I square, I is equal to square root of minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. Instead of minus 1, you can write I square. Numerator I square and denominator I get cancelled. Numerator h cross square and denominator h get cancelled. Therefore, equation become del h cross by 2mi into psi of rt del psi star rt minus psi star rt del psi of rt. Now, we know psi of rt mod of psi of rt whole bracket square is nothing but rho. Dou rho by dou t is nothing but J, probability current density. J of rt is equal to h cross by 2mi psi of rt del psi star rt minus psi star rt del psi of rt. This is the probability current of wave function psi of rt. If you notice this equation, J of rt is a real quantity, since psi of rt del psi star rt minus its complex conjugate gives an imaginary number, but we divide by I, so J of rt must be a real quantity, because the bracket term gives a imaginary quantity divided by I, that's why J is a real quantity. Therefore, the bracket term is nothing but J of rt, or psi of mod of psi of rt is nothing but rho. Therefore, dou by dou t of rho of rt is equal to del J of rt, del J of rt, where J of rt is the probability current density, which is equal to h cross by 2mi into psi of rt del psi star rt minus psi star rt into del psi of rt. If we substitute this value, then if we rearrange equation number 8, if del j r of rt moves toward the left hand side, then our equation becomes dou by dou t of rho of rt minus del j rt is equal to 0. It means what? Equation number 9 shows that probability density is conserved. It is a conserved quantity. Okay, this is a more important derivations and simple derivation. This kind of derivation will be asked in our university exam also for 10 marks. Okay, it's simple. Initially we have to take a Schrodinger equation. After that we have to take its complex conjugate, multiply equation 1 with psi, multiply equation 2 with psi star, and subtract 2 from 1. After subtracting, we are getting one equation. If we simplify that equation, after that we have to use a Green's identity to minimize that equation. Finally, we will get dou by dou t of psi of rt mod square is equal to del h cross by 2mi into psi of rt del psi star rt minus psi star rt into del psi of rt. If we rearrange this equation, or from this equation we can express a probability current density J of rt is equal to h cross by 2mi into psi of rt del psi of psi star rt minus psi star rt del psi of rt. In this way we can find out the probability current density equation. Okay, this is a probability current density equation in a 3-dimensional case. If you have any doubt related with the probability current density and continuity equation, then you can ask me at any time. Okay, thank you.